Hey, all right. Good morning, everyone. From the crazy city of Angeles City this morning, we are heading to the famous Apo Market of Angeles City here. Every Friday this market goes on. Oh, I gotta get away from the music. Every Friday this market goes on, rain or shine, 24/7, unless it's COVID. But it's crazy up here. Apo Market. Gonna stroll through there. We've been through here a few times. What's going in there to spend? What's going in there to spend the money?
Yeah, I spend
money.
all
Yeah, you got to get across here and dodge. Hey, wow, nice BMW there. Nice. All right, do the Superman pose. Oh, finally, police or traffic enforcer. All right, look out, that Jeep nearly hurt you. All right, here we are, Apo Market. Just a lot of products in here. You'll see as we stroll through here. This is another one of those. You scratch your head and go, They never allowed it until I can't remember when. You were never allowed to drive your motorbikes and stuff through here, but they get through this music. But they, I don't know, they just started, for some reason, started allowing motorbikes, and they started allowing cars to come through here. But yeah, you see, I'm just clothes, and hats, and sunglasses, and trinkets, and fruits or foods, snacks, and more clothes. See, and it shoots back like in through there. Jewelry, you name it, they got it here for sale. That lady's been here ever since I can remember, and she does have like a really nice voice, but she's always here, she's always singing, and you know, she could easily sit there, throw her hand out, you know what I mean? But I always say, I will give somebody coins if they offer me something in return, besides their give me 5 hand. Slap me 5 hand. Let's scoping. Let us scoping. She is scoping things out. Guys, if you do come up here, keep your stuff in tight pockets, because you never know. This is busy. It's always busy like this, but you get up here during the holiday, Christmas, oh man, elbow to elbow in here. Elbow to elbow. We used to have tarps all over the top to cover the street. So when you walk through here, it was nice and shaded. And for some reason, hey, what's up, guys? Hey, all right. Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to Philippines.
Thank you. For some reason, they took them all down. And nope, that's what Loda's looking for. Loda's looking for curtains. We're gonna box them up and mail them back to the province. Oh yeah. All right, we are gonna head into the Apo Church here. I like this church. This is a nice church. Apo, right? Apo Church.
So they left
Met,
the Sanhedrin, rejoicing that they had been found worthy.
James O'Connor.
For the sake.
That's where we met up here at the Apo Church one time.
All day long.
And they have multiple services here in English, in Tagalog. You just gotta know what time the church services are for the English, but it's just a cool looking old church, right?
The word of the Lord.
It's beautiful in there. Come around here. I'll show you the little garden area.
All the days of my life, that I may
Now in the house of the Lord forever. A little shoot in here. We had a quick little peek inside the church. Service is going on.
I believe
Being
that
inside
I
the
shall
church.
see the bounty of the Lord
Big
in the
fans.
land of the living.
Nice. No air conditioning. No air conditioning. Here's a little garden. This is a place of prayer and meditation. People can pray here. Silence, please. Then, let's gonna go say a prayer. I'll show you over here. And over here to the right is where you come in and you can. I used to have a candle area. Oh, that's up here. Candle area is up here. Is it a confessional booth? I think it may be. I don't know. They used to light candles here. I don't know what happened. I remember they did. Maybe they moved it somewhere else. Tambagita.
Yeah, this is our national flower.
Yes, they smell so good.
Yeah.
I always
You want
like.
to smell it?
Like. Oh, I can.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It.
Where are you from, sir?
I live here now, but I'm from the States. But
Yeah.
yes. I like the smell. All right, Lud, explain that about how you light the candles. What's it for?
This in this candle, a different color has a different meaning of life, like healthy.
All right, let me go here. White, purity, good luck, work, money, blessing, spirit, love, and peace. And then
Then
you got a
before
bundle.
you're going to light the candle, I like to have all. Before you're going to light the candle, you're gonna pray the prayer, and then
Oh.
after that one, you will going to pray what did you really like or what you wish for.
Right. Okay. Got some birds here. Them little fellas. Is that a duck down there?
That's the duck.
That's a duck. That's a balloon.
What kind of bird is this?
I don't know. You have to ask.
Anong klase ito, ya? Munya?
Munya.
Japanese.
Duck. Duck.
And this one? Sponge? Oh, it's sponge dove. Okay.
Okay.
That's cool.
All right, this is another area that shoots off the side here. It was funny. I was talking to the lady with the Sambagita there, and she asked me, she said, "You're not afraid to walk in through here?" I'm like, "No, why?" She goes, "Because like most foreigners, they won't walk in here. They're scared. What is it to be afraid of? Get out, explore the Philippines. Don't be afraid. The people are not going to bite your head off." That's an Atta right there. The lady with the dark hair, guaranteed Atta. The indigenous people of the area. But don't be afraid, guys. Come on. Why did you come to the Philippines for? To hang out with other foreigners? Oh, let me hang out with. Only friends I have are foreigners, other foreigner expats. And the only time I interact with the Filipino people is when I go to the mall. Uh-oh. She found something. All right. When I go to the mall. And that's it. Come on.
I'm cheap.
Huh?
Oh, let's go.
Yeah. I just don't get it. You come here to... I don't get it. But to each their own, I guess. To each their own. Me, I want to experience the Philippines. I want to experience Filipino people. I want to experience Filipino culture. I want to interact within the people. All right, now we're back out to the main drag we came down. My man's got his puppies for sale. What's up, my friend? Yeah.
You buy one, Mike.
Man, I like the shirt, Ali. You've been selling puppies for a while. I remember you here for a long time. And up on Walking Street, you sell puppies still. Yeah. Business must be good. So, yeah. All right. So after stopping at 50, over-exaggerated, other shops, we're back to the first shop she originally started at. Yeah, just, it is what it is. They're all the same price, you're not getting a discount. Maybe if you get in bulk, maybe. Let's in there figuring out. She's running the math through her head. How much is it? How much is it? Yeah, I got a fan blowing on me right now. It's warm. It is warm. But,
How many
yeah.
window we have?
You're not counting the upstairs windows. Don't worry about them. You got one above the sink. You got 1, 2. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 5 downstairs. 5 windows downstairs. It's going to be a mix and match. What about Miguel's room?
That's what I said.
Oh.
6.
That's 6. Yeah, 6. All right. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. It's a dragon. It's a dragon. Check that out. Watch that again. Watch this. Check this.
I can put it higher.
Yeah, I would imagine it. The more, yeah, but you don't want to land it on the roof.
Yes, like that one, no?
What if you already got one on the roof? Oh, all right. All right.
There are 2 on the roof now.
All right. All right. If he puts it on the roof, I'll pay him for it. Okay, check it out. Well, there it goes. Oh, didn't land on the roof. All right, my friend, thank you. No, I'm good though. I like to watch that. Very good.
It's only 50 pesos.
All right. Yeah, let me get one. Let me get one. You showed me how it worked. All right, hang on. I paid for 50 pesos worth of entertainment. It helps them out. You know what I mean? I'll give it to one of the kids I see around here, and they'll like it. Yeah, you pay for a little bit of entertainment. Nothing wrong with that, right?
Would you like buy that way? 6 for 20?
Look, there's 6 for 20 towels right there. All right, Lit needs to get towels. Hannah needs some towels. She said when she's out and about, she gets very hot. So we'll pick up some towels for her. Here, let me put this down. That's it, right there. Right there, I'll give this to a little boy, pass him by. Yeah, little boy. All right, little boys will enjoy this. So let's wheeling and dealing with some towels, and I'll hook somebody up. All right, here we go. I gave it to the little boy. He was very happy. His mama said, "What do you say?" He's like, "Thank you, salamat." Do not be afraid to get out and get in right amongst the Filipino people. I've got some bubbles. It's bubbles. Little bubble guns here. But like I said, to me, this is the Philippines. People, the culture, the traditions, what they do, where they go, their shopping, their, you know what I'm saying? A lot of this stuff is dirt cheap. Cheaper than the island we're on. Let's say she would pay about 250 to 300 pesos for the curtains we just picked up for, how much were they, 100 pesos? 100 pesos each. 120? 120 for the big one and 100 for the smaller one. So you're going to find the deals here. Everything on our island is expensive. You want to go to that other place?
Where?
For your makeup or face stuff?
Right.
I think it is. Down.
Remember, it's not here anymore, so I don't know where.
Yeah, but you don't know until you walk down here.
Okay.
There's a place she goes to where she gets like medicine for her face, but it's so busy now.
Oh, I think I know where it's not.
Where?
That is not here.
It's back that way.
It's back this way.
All right, we'll walk back this way. We'll just keep rolling. But it looks different. It looks different. Like right now with all the vendors set up. And then, like I said, only on Fridays. And then you come up here any other day and the vendors aren't all lined up down the road. So everything looks completely different. And a lot of these vendors go from like one area like this to other areas in the in this area, because they have multiple places set up where these vendors go to and sell their goods. This is the big one. I think it's up here. I think it may be up here on the left. It's hard to tell. We'll find it. We will find it. That's for sure. This guy's selling wood products. It's like a cutting board and spoons. No. All right, we'll find it. But keep rolling. Hats. Just kind of give you an idea what's all available here. Shirts, knockoff. That's not it, is it? No. Is that it? He says over here, some mangoes, 50 pesos a kilo, 30 pesos a kilo. Hello. 10. Whew. Boy, the traffic. Look at the traffic. Watch you don't get hit also. Maybe it's gone. What?
No, it's not gone.
He says it's not gone. Oh, you already seen it.
Yes.
You got some peanuts here for sale.
That is in your right side.
Not on the right, it's on the left.
No, it's
I know for a fact it was going to be on this side of the street. I'm good.
here.
Sweet. I don't know what the hell. Oh, that's a different one then. Oh, all right. She made a fool out of me. Because there is a store on the left side of the street we always go to. Look, just made a fool out of me. Imagine that. I know. Say it, Philly, you are a fool. You remember? I was guaranteed. I was positive. It is on that side. Look made a fool out of me. My Filipino wife made a fool out of me.
Yeah.
I was thinking of the other store you went and bought bulk.
Yeah, that's a cosmetic that I always
Right.
book when I get
And
this
here, you used to sneak up here.
Yeah.
I was never with you.
Yeah, pretty much.
We'll go with that story. She made a fool out of me. You're a fool anyways, Philly. Yeah, I know. All right, now it's time to get out of here. 'Cause it is heating up. But what a nice little stroll around this morning. Right there to the left is St. Nicholas Market. I did a video in there the other day, and we're going to roll up here. We're going to get a Grab, because Grab's the only way to go in town here, guys. When we were up at, I'll meet you at the top up here. When we were up in Center City at Nipo Mall, took a Grab up. It was $150 from where we're staying. Both ways, $150. Look, grabbed the trike from up here to where we were staying. She paid $200. So that's 200 pesos to ride in a trike. Non-air conditioned, bumpy road, bumpy ride. Grab, I'm telling you right now, throw Grab in your phone. Make sure it is updated. That way you don't get screwed when you get to the airport like me when we first got here. Throw that Grab app in there. Use Grab. It's a non-negotiable price. It's set. Right now, I know Mr. Nice Guy that I am, I throw them an extra 20 because I know their gas is high. You know, and they're very grateful, very friendly. Don't be afraid of your Grab driver. Talk to him. He will talk to you. and of course grab food. So anyways, there's the old McDonald's, had a farm. Had a few sandwiches in that McDonald's. Right up here's the main road. And with that being said, I want to wrap this video up. Guys, leave comments down below. Let me know what you think. I did see a few, maybe 2 foreigners up here. But if you're in the city, get up here. Get up here and just take a walk through. Don't be afraid. No need to be afraid of the people. All right, that's it. That's a wrap.